show you how to put eyelashes on. So these are the Christina lashes. I put the glue on, I let them dry for about a minute or two, and see the glue, you can't even see it, so that means it's dry. You get a mirror, it's best, I'm using like a little mirror like this, and then it's best to try and look down. And then this tool I thought was so expensive, but it literally has been a lifesaver putting lashes on. It's the Velour eyelash applicator. Look down. And yes, I hold my breath while I do this.